If you are sailing on Celebrity Eclipse, Equinox, or Solstice and have considered doing the Hollywood Hot Glass class, then stick around as I'm going to discuss in this video the process and booking the experience, show you our experience with the class, and whether this was a good value or not. Hi, I'm Angela from Grabby Bags Travel. The Hollywood Hot Glass Studio is based in Hollywood, Florida, where they offer glass blowing classes so you can learn how to transform molten glass into artwork. Back in 2018, this glass blowing class was brought to 3 ships in the Celebrity's fleet, Eclipse, Equinox, and Solstice, as an onboard experience for you to purchase. I would advise to pre-purchase this class in your cruise planner under Onboard Activities, as you will find the best pricing with a sale of often 5% off regular prices. With that price, you have a selection of glass items you can choose from to make. These glasses are valued at $120 each. You can upgrade on board for other more intricate pieces for either $30 or $50 more. On embarkation day, you can go to the Hollywood Hot Glass class, which is located on Deck 15 on the lawn. There, you can make a reservation for the slot you would like to do it. I do suggest you go early to make the reservations to have more options in available time slots. During your class, your instructor asks you which colors you would like to have for your chosen glass art. He then explains the process step by step and allows you to do a lot of the creation alongside him. Of course, each piece will involve different steps taken to make your glass.
So now we're going to use that big wooden scoop. The same thing, we kind of want to round this out prior to getting it into our heart shape. So you can bring that right to my hand.
So do I think this was worth the price and time? Absolutely. It was not only a super fun, interesting, and probably once-in-a-lifetime experience, but it's such a great souvenir to remember and have on display in your house or office.
Now we're going to go back using our long arms. We're just going to squeeze a little groove in. Not too hard on this rig, because we still want to flatten this. And the end of the rod's right about there, so we squeeze it right about there. This will eventually be the bottom of the heart.
If you aren't interested in purchasing the experience, you can still sit and watch the class being offered.
And we're just going to press really nice and lightly. We've got the glass nice and soft. So I'm just going to take that and kind of just give us again this more softer shape. Now you can set that right back down in the water. So I'll show you our nice swirl real quick. Again, you color in the bench. We're going to use this first to create our wedge or our crease for our heart. So I'll have the glass on the rollers. We're going to come out from underneath just to make that nice crease. Over and you can kind of stab down into it. Same thing over the back up, just so we're not fighting gravity so much. Just chilling that glass off. So it's very easy. We have our heart shape now, but now we just need to get back to that groove. So you can have a spot back at the bench, and we're really just going to tighten this all the way up so that we can get it off the
When you are finished, you must leave the glass there to cool, and it will be ready after 6:30 a.m. the next morning for you to pick up. I upgraded to the vase, and my daughter did one of the included pieces, a heart paperweight. Each piece is unique and made by you. So yes, I think it is a cool activity and worth the money for the experience and souvenir. Tell me in the comments if you've done this before or if you plan on doing it. Thanks for watching. Happy cruising!